Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need administrator access and the current account password before changing anything. Once ready, open settings with Windows plus ISO you don't wander. Navigate to Accounts because that centralizes sign-in options and keeps you from hunting through Control Panel. Make sure you're on the account you want to update or that you can switch to an admin account now. Once done, click Sign-in Options to find the password controls and get ready to change the password securely. Select Password under Sign-in Options and click Change. This is the step that updates the credential UAC uses to confirm elevated actions. You'll be asked to verify the current password. This prevents unauthorized changes. Then enter the new password twice so Windows can validate it. Choose a strong, memorable password and optionally update your hint. Once you confirm, Windows will apply the change immediately, so future UAC prompts accept the new password without delay. After changing the password, sign out or restart to ensure credentials refresh everywhere. Make sure to test by triggering a UAC prompt, for example by running an installer or choosing Run as administrator, so you can confirm the new password is accepted. If the system won't accept the new password or you're locked out, use a different administrator account or safe mode to enable the built-in administrator for recovery. This troubleshooting route helps regain control without data loss when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.